What's going on, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the $800 SV650 build. Today we will be going through the installation of the Hall effect speed sensor for the GSXR front end swap. Before we get into the video, please consider pressing the like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. When installing the new front end, the stock speed sensor doesn't fit the GSXR front end. There are many ways of fixing this problem, from GPS speedos to moving the speed sensor to the rear wheel. I have decided to mount a Hall effect speed sensor in order to get accurate speed readings. Note that in order to do this, you need to either use new crimp connectors or be able to solder the wires. The Hall effect speed sensor works by putting magnets on the rotors which pass the sensor mounted on the forks. Check out the Google Docs link to find the wiring diagram and the link to the website where I bought the magnets and the speed sensor. Next, you will need to cut and strip the wires on the original speed sensor and solder the new speed sensor in. After that, a mounting bracket will need to be fabricated in order to have the speed sensor sitting over the brake rotor correctly. After that is done, the magnets and the magnet cups have to be glued into the holes on the rotor. Make sure you wrap and heat shrink the wires as they will be exposed to the water and dirt from the road. I didn't get footage for the fabrication of the bracket, but there are photos and more detailed steps which can be found in the SV Writer's blog, link in the description. That brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed today's content, please consider pressing the like and subscribe button in order to support the channel. Stay tuned for part 3, where we will be fitting the new front end. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.